How to fix Instagram Reels scrolling problem. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Reels section. Once you're in the Reels section, now while scrolling you are having the issue. How to fix it? For that, what you need to do is first quit your Instagram app. For that, swipe from the bottom, then remove the app, then again relaunch it and check the issue persists or not. Next thing you want to do is you will need to log out of your Instagram account and log in back. For that, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down, click on the option of logout, click on logout, then again provide your credentials and sign in back. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, what you can do is check the server status of Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser and then type in Instagram status and then search for it. Now I can navigate to this one website, Down Detector, search for the app Instagram. With that, you're gonna find the server status of Instagram. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Likewise, last thing you wanna do is completely delete your Instagram app. For that, press and hold on it. Click on Remove App, click on Delete App, and click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram, and then install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. You will be able to scroll the reels. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.